Hey guys, today I'm gonna be reviewing this Fresno seat covers that we just received in the mail. Here's me trying to take them out. We went with the red wine color that I really liked. I heard a lot of good things about this brand. As you can see here, I'm unboxing it. Got the screws, the manual headrest. You can see the color is really nice. This is for the glove box. There's gonna be for the seats. As you can see right here, it has a really nice design, sleek design, really nice material to touch. Really like them. Here's the other seat we have. Same thing. Really nice material. I really like them. It has a nice pattern, as you can see. For installation, I heard it's pretty straightforward. Shouldn't be any complications. We don't gotta remove the seats. Pretty easy. Everything's gonna be in the manual. It comes with the screws to make it tight. Pretty straightforward, so there should not be any complications at all. So this is what the car was looking like before the seat covers. It's a plain black leather, original from Ford. It was kind of old. It was feeling kind of not the same as it was when I first got the car, but I had to give it a try to the new seat covers, and here's me installing them. You can see the red just looks so much better. Really nice material. It was a little bit complicated to install in the back, but we managed to get it thanks to the manual. Everything is pretty clear and straightforward. You can see some clips, how it looks from behind. Overall, they're really nice. This is just after we finished them. Look how much better it looks already. Really nice to the touch. Love the color. Also, the fact that they might look kind of weird at first, but after you sit on them, use a couple times, it's gonna be molding to your seat. So this is overall a must for your car. It looks better. You're gonna protect your seats. You're also gonna be way more comfy now. It was a little harder to install in the back since the fitment is meant to be like a glove, but they're perfect.